Hello, Robert Nelson here with another quick tip on how you can become more successful with your selling. So, if you have been following along with this little sales tip series, you should be ready to take the next step. You should already know how to put yourself on a positive vibration and how to approach the prospect with an attitude that is focused on giving. Now it's time to make first contact. Here we go. Here is your word for today. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. So, make it a good one. How do you make a good first impression? I'm glad you asked. First of all, you have to be consciously aware of the fact that whenever you make initial contact with any person, they are perceiving you through their five senses. And within the first few seconds of their interaction with you, they will draw a conclusion about you based on the information that they're gathering through their senses. Now, I know this might seem wrong and unfair, but the reality is that people tend to judge a book by its cover. So rather than getting offended or being defensive and thinking, they're just making a snap judgment about me and are drawing a conclusion when they really don't know just how great a person I am. Instead, be on the offensive, be proactive. Prepare yourself so that their initial observation inclines them to want to give you a chance to engage in an actual conversation. So here's your challenge. Since people do tend to judge a book by its cover, your challenge is to make your cover as appealing as you possibly can. This is how you make a good first impression. You make it by being consciously aware of the fact that your impression is upon their five senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste, and make as positive an impression upon those senses as you can, and they will incline you to engage in conversation. It's really quite simple. Sight. If you're making visible contact with the prospect, you need to make yourself as presentable as possible. Be well dressed and well groomed and have a pleasant demeanor. Sound. The sound of your voice should be so warm and welcoming that they actually feel like you are genuinely pleased to see them. Smell. It's absolutely critical that you have good hygiene and fresh breath, especially if your initial contact is in person. Touch. When an opportunity to shake hands presents itself, give a firm handshake, not one that is limp and lifeless. Taste. Well, appealing to the sense of taste should not even come into play unless you're sampling some type of food or beverage, and then it better be good. The reality is that if you appeal effectively enough to these five senses, they will engage you in conversation. Now, you just have to use common sense. There's no need to go overboard in any of these areas. Just be consciously aware that your prospect is evaluating you on a subconscious level and will draw a conclusion within the first few seconds of their interaction with you. So, present the best you that you can possibly be and give yourself a chance to break through the ice and engage in an actual conversation. This is Robert Nelson, and I invite you to like, comment, or share this information, and stay tuned for more tips on how to be more successful with your selling. Thank you.